Hello friends, I am Dr. Prakash Bansode, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Sangola College, Sangola. The topic of today's video is COVID-19 myths versus facts. Friends, as this virus or its infection, COVID-19 disease, is spreading all over the world, the rumors have spread faster than the virus. So there are many rumors associated with COVID-19 on WhatsApp, social media, Instagram. So we can focus on this particular video on myths versus facts. So this is the structure of SARS-CoV-2, that is novel coronavirus. It has some protein part. First two images show electronic microscopic structure of this virus. Then the structure looks like this. It has some proteins called spike on its surface. It is having envelope of the fat. Then it is a single stranded RNA virus, so it is having a single strand of the RNA. First myth is the COVID-19 pandemic will slow down this summer because of the heat. So this is a complete myth declared by WHO. This myth started when two research papers were published, one from China and another from Japan. These papers have included particular data of the humid and hot cities of the Japan and China and the spreading rate of this COVID-19 disease. But very important thing is that these two journals are the preprint journals or they are the paid journals. So this is not a authentic data. I have included some authentic sources of information. COVID-19 and hot condition or humid condition. So this data is have generated from the comparison with earlier viruses, but we have to take into consideration that this is a totally novel virus. So right now we cannot talk on the effect of the summer on COVID-19 infection spread rate, because the data should come from all parts of the world and then we can draw a conclusion. WHO considers this as a myth. Myth number 2 is cold weather or snow can kill SARS coronavirus. So this is again a wrong thing, that lower temperatures or cold temperature or ice cannot kill SARS coronavirus too. We are having patients in Leh and Ladakh or the countries, European countries, where the temperature is very low. There are the incidences of coronavirus. Myth number 3 is drinking hot drinks like tea or coffee or taking bath with hot water kills SARS coronavirus too. So this is a rumor again, very famous on WhatsApp, that Li Wenliang, who was the doctor at Wuhan city, who first reported there is different type of pneumonia the world is going to face. This is a different virus, and there is a rumor on WhatsApp that tea contains various chemical substances like theophylline, theobromine, and these substances can fight with COVID-19 infection. And Li Wenliang has documented several research papers, his research on COVID-19 and tea, and the patients are recovering by taking tea in Wuhan city. So this is again myth. There is no connection with tea drinking and SARS coronavirus 2 infection. Basically, Li Wenliang was a ophthalmologist. He was not a virologist or a doctor treating with the virus infections. So protecting tea or coffee is not going to protect you against SARS coronavirus 2. Again, taking bath with hot water can raise the body temperature, but it cannot kill the coronavirus as declared by the WHO. Myth number 4 is eating garlic help preventing infection with new coronavirus. So this is again a myth that eating garlic can help you preventing SARS coronavirus 2. This is a complete myth declared by WHO. Recently, one research paper has been published in journal ACS Omega, in which the scientists have done study on the garlic constituents and SARS coronavirus 2 prevention. Their conclusion says that garlic constituents can help in preventing SARS coronavirus too, but this study is based on the some mathematical models, or it is a prediction. Wet lab experiment is not done, so we cannot draw a firm conclusion from this. Myth number 5 is being able to hold breath for 10 seconds or more indicate you are free from COVID-19 or any other lung disease. So this is again a myth declared by WHO. By holding the breath for 10 seconds or more do not indicate that you are free from COVID-19. You have to go to the test. If test declares you negative, then you are the free from COVID-19. Myth number 6 is pets at home can spread new coronavirus. So this is a myth declared by WHO. Pets, this has not been yet found that pets spread coronavirus, but pets contain some other viruses like salmonella. So when you touch to pets, you should wash your hands with soaps and water. Myth number 7, you can recover from the COVID 19 and it will not occur again for the whole life. So, this is a complete myth declared by WHO. SARS coronavirus can affect you at any stage. If you have recovered from the infection, again it can occur any stage of the life. Myth number 8 is can regularly rinsing your nose with saline help preventing infection of SARS-CoV-2? So this is again a myth declared by WHO. Washing your nose with saline do not help in preventing the SARS coronavirus 2. Myth number 9, there are specific medicines to treat or prevent novel coronavirus. So there are no specific medicines. Recently, some drugs have been approved in some parts of the world for treating coronavirus, but still there are no standard medicines or vaccines against this disease. Next myth is myth number 10. Thermal scanners are effective in detecting people infected with new coronavirus. Thermal scanners only detect the raised temperature of the body. The normal temperature of the body, internal temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. Thermal scanners can detect raised temperature of body, but raised temperature of body or fever condition may not always be due to coronavirus. So this is a myth. Myth number 11 is exposing yourself to the sun to temperature 25 degrees Celsius or more prevents COVID-19. This is again a myth which is declared by WHO. Myth number 12 is mosquitoes or houseflies spread SARS-CoV-2 or novel coronavirus. So this is again a myth declared by WHO. Mosquitoes or housefly do not spread SARS-CoV-2. Myth number 13 is drinking of alcohol kills SARS coronavirus and protects from COVID 19. So, this is again a complete myth declared by WHO. Drinking of alcohol can create some other health problems, but it will not protect from COVID 19. This fact, this rumor was spread as there is use of a lot of use of alcohol based sanitizers, and as the people are thinking as the alcohol based sanitizers can kill SARS coronavirus too, so drinking, but you should take into consideration that SARS coronavirus 2 is an infectious disease of the respiratory system. The virus goes into your respiratory system and not your digestive system, so drinking of alcohol will not protect from SARS CoV-2 or novel coronavirus. Myth number 14 is eating non-vegetarian food spreads SARS-CoV-2, which is again a very wrong information. It is a myth declared by WHO. So you eat vegetarian or non-vegetarian, it's your choice, but it should be a completely cooked food, so it will at that temperature the virus will not survive. Myth number 15 is SARS-CoV-2 or novel coronavirus spreads through air. So this is again a wrong information. It do not spreads through the air. When the infected person coughs or sneezes, the virus spreads through the droplets and it goes up to a 1 meter distance and settles down or fall on the earth. Myth number 16 is SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus can be killed by hair dryers or UV disinfection lamps. So after the washing hands, you can dry your hands using dry hairs, but the SARS coronavirus will not be killed by the heat of the dryers. You have to wash frequently the hands with soap and water. Again, UV discharge lamps, UV lamps will or will not kill the virus, but they are the hazardous to human life as they cause some severe diseases like cancer. Myth number 17 is the COVID-19 the COVID-19 affects only people with old age and young people are not susceptible. This is again a complete wrong information declared by WHO. It can occur to any person of any age, but the old people with comorbidities are more susceptible to this infection. Myth number 18 is BCG or pneumonia vaccine protects from SARS-CoV-2 or novel coronavirus. Again, a wrong information. Still, there is not a particular any virus or any vaccine useful against this virus. Scientists are working on the virus vaccine. Myth number 19: N95 masks are needed to protect from COVID-19 infections. So you can use any mask, any cloth, not always N95 masks are needed. N95 masks are needed for the people who are in the health profession. Myth number 20: gargling with water and salt protects from coronavirus. This is again a myth declared by WHO. Gargling practices may give some relief in some diseases for the symptoms, but it will not protect against the coronavirus, because there is no biological mechanism available till today that respiratory virus can be washed into stomach by gargling. Myth number 21 is 5G networks spreads SARS-CoV-2 or coronavirus. This is again a wrong information declared by WHO that 5G networks or any mobile network do not spread SARS-CoV-2 infection. Myth number 22: antibiotics are effective in preventing treating COVID-19. So this is again a wrong information. No antibiotics are going to protect you or effecting in controlling COVID-19. So you should not seek a personal medication. You should advise your doctors for this. These are the important information sources that I have used for making this presentation. So I will advise at the end of this presentation, keep calm and stay at home and follow all the safety precautions, and keep calm and stay safe online. That means do not spread the rumors. Thank you.